Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to put this all away. All right, so we have our unit here. And if you look at it, you've got to get it into this little styrofoam doohickey right here, right? So, and it doesn't really have a lot of things you can pick it up with. So you got to kind of figure it out. So you see this here, that's going to slide there. So we definitely got it in the right spot. So we're just going to lift it up, and I'm going to set it in there like that. So I put my hand here, and I put my hand in the front here. Let me show you guys. I put my hand hold here, and then I just put my hand right here to lift it. Let me give you a little bird's eye view of that. All right, so to get it up in the air, you go here and here, just like that. Go here and here. So you guys know, okay? So once we've got it set in its base, then we're gonna come over, we're gonna put our top piece on, and I'm gonna use this right here to store some things. Like I'm gonna put this extra stuff that they give you for sealing the doors, and I'm gonna put the remote in there, all right? So now I got those in there. Whoops, the remote fell out. Put it back in, and then I'm just gonna set it in there like that. And then, I think I'm just going to put my bag with all my screws in it right here. And then we're going to put this one in here, like this. And then we're going to put the collar in. The collar's going to go just like that. And then we can set that right on top. Now the sleeves, they go on the side here, like this. But first what we're going to do is we're going to unpop this. And I'm going to bring this up. All right, so we unhooked it here, and then there's a channel here. So we got to feed it up through that channel, just like that. And then we're going to put it right in there. So that's good, right? And then these here can go right on here like this. Just like that. Now this one, I've got one of these things in there, so I'm going to have to pop it out. And to do that, I'm going to have to get some needle nose pliers. All right, so I've got to get this out of there. I'm going to squeeze this and then just smush it out. Just like this. Grab it with my fingers. Pull it out. Now I can go ahead and just shut this like that. And this will have to go in that. I'm going to have to get... I worked it too soon, didn't I? Now I got to get in here and put this back in here so I don't lose it. All right, put that back. Oops, this goes in here like that. All right, now let's go ahead and slide that up, just like that. I'm gonna wrap it around, drop it inside here, just like that. And there's a little notch here, a little notch there. All right, that looks good. And we put this on here. And then these, can go right here. One there, just like that. And the other one, just like that. Now we may need to put a little painter's tape or something there to hold them. But we should be good. Now all I gotta do is put the box on top of it, which I'm hoping shouldn't be too hard to do, but you never know. So now we take this, and we're just going to slide it right on top. It's a little tight. We have to go this way. No, I think it's this way. Now this is the part that's going to get precarious. So you got to get these in there, like that. Slide her down. Get these two in. Get everything in there. All right, I think we're good. Now we just gotta get it down. Get her to go down. Of course, it doesn't want to. Those are really tight. Right here is tight. There we go. We're getting there. Interesting. We're almost there. Oh, okay, that. Oh, that's not good. Oh, God. All right, we got to come up a little bit. Yeah, this cable was a little bit, wasn't in the best of shape. I think we got it. Bam, done. There we go. Oh my God. That was not easy, was it? All right, I think we got it done. What do you guys think? Oh, Jesus. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.